Namaste guys, welcome to 14th December session of the Hindu analysis connecting current affair with the static part. So in this series we are learning the art of revising our core syllabus with the help of newspaper. So this is me Pawan Kumar Shukla. This is presented by me Pawan Kumar Shukla. I have cleared written examination of National Defense Academy, Combined Defense Services, Air Force, Common Admission Test, Intelligence Bureau, and also appeared in SSB, the Service Selection Board, 7 times. So currently preparing for the UPSC and have a wide experience of handling different type of government examination. So you can follow me on their Instagram and Twitter. Both handle is @Pawan Gorakhpuri. Now coming on to the today's newspaper. So first news we can see is heritage and progress now go side by side in India, says Modi. So what is this article is about the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. So what you can refer it with respect to UPSC examination is the role of religion based tourism in economic development, okay, economic development of India, and how the religion based tourism can give an economic boost to the region as well. And for other examination you can see who all are involved historically with the destruction and rebuilding of the Kashi Vishwanath temple. And this can also be asked that Kashi Vishwanath temple is dedicated to which lord, which god. It is Lord Shiva. So this thing you can remember. So another important news coming from the economy point of view is inflation spikes to 4.91% in November. So another important article is important another important head term is vegetable prices jump 7.45%. So what you need to remember is you have to differentiate between these two things. So what is this article is saying that consumer price index that RBI uses for the inflation targeting of 4 plus minus 2%, and also the consumer price index are of two types. One is core inflation and one is headline inflation. One of these vegetable fuel prices and food inflation are not counted because of the high volatility of these things. So you can write down in comment section that which of the following, core inflation or headline inflation, which of the following does not count. That means it excludes the inflation of fuel and food prices. You can write down in comment section. So coming on to the next news, another important news was about the opposition to intensify protests. So this article is about the suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha members. So what you can it is repeating every day. So what you can refer is Rule 255 and Rule 256 that give power that give the chairman the power to suspend the Rajya Sabha MPs. And you can also refer the composition and election. What are the composition of the Rajya Sabha, how the Rajya Sabha MPs got elected, and what are the special powers of the Rajya Sabha over Lok Sabha? Like this question has been asked in 2020 UPSC prelims also. That what are the exclusive powers given to Rajya Sabha that is not given to Lok Sabha? Like for example, one power is Rajya Sabha can pass a resolution to give Parliament power to legislate on any state subject. So you can refer other exclusive powers of the Rajya Sabha also. So coming on to the page number 3, page number 3 has an important article, COVID-19 compensation given to so what you can refer with respect to this article is section 12 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 that talks about the ex gratia will be provided to the those who have suffered from the any kind of disaster. And COVID-19 has been declared as a disaster under Disaster Management Act by the central government itself. So you can refer these things as well, although it is not mentioned in the this article, but you can see the section 12 of the Disaster Management Act. Another important article was about the Delhi residents to get free yoga services at the doorstep. So another very important step by the Delhi government to save our culture and promote our culture. So he has launched the Delhi Ki Yoga Shala program. So you can refer what is Delhi Ki Yoga Shala program and who has launched this. And you can also write down in comment section that when did the International Yoga Day is celebrated, on which particular date International Yoga Day is celebrated, and from which year it has been started celebrating. You can refer these things. Coming on to the page number 5. Page number 5 had important article about Supreme Court puts off Krishna water dispute hearing till 2022. So this article is what talking about the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal. So you can refer Interstate River Dispute Act that was brought in 1956, and the article which bans the legislation of the Supreme Court in a case of inter-river water dispute, and what are the exception that has been provided under that act. And you can also refer the recent amendment in this act, like for example, today we have the separate tribunal for each river dispute: Kaveri river dispute, Beas river dispute, Krishna river dispute. But that amendment has brought a single has asked to brought a single tribunal for each dispute, having a regional benches. So you can refer these things as well. Coming on to the next news. Yeah, not next news, but important thing is, why are you ashamed of PM? Ask High Court. So this is about the vaccination certificate. Like you can see that on the vaccination certificate there is a photograph of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So one of the person from Kerala has uh, challenged this thing in Kerala High Court. So Kerala High Court has just said that he is our Prime Minister and he has came by a mandate, by a popular mandate. So why are you ashamed of our Prime Minister? So you can refer these things as well. Coming on to the page number 6, very important page regarding editorials. A sanction. This page is very important for the international point of view. So PSI are optional. Students have a good content in this on this page. Sanctions and the right. So recent sanction that has been put forward by the USA on different countries, like Bangladesh has been involved in this sanction for the first time, and you can that rapid action battalion, due to rapid action battalion. So USA has also sanctioned the persons involved in the Xinjiang region, the Uyghur Muslim genocide also. So you can refer this complete article. So this is very important article with respect to the international relation point of view. And you can also write down in comment section under which act did USA put sanctions on these countries. Another important article about the fathoming of the new world disorder. So this article is also important for the international relation point of view. Like you can see the some events happened in 20th century which led to the collapse of the earlier superpower like Britain and France. Like one of the things has been mentioned here, like Second World War, the Suez Canal crisis 1956. So these were the detrimental to the superpower status of the Britain and the France. So this article is also referring about the what will be the detrimental factors that will cause the decline of the United Nations as a superpower. So this article is talking about the recent Afghanistan misfortune of the USA, and also talking about the three challengers. Like one challenge is of course Russia and the Russia-Ukraine dispute here, and another challenge is the Iran. It is mentioned in the Iran's nuclear program, and third is of course China in the South China Sea. So you can refer this complete article, very important article. The three challenges of the USA has been given here. So another important article is on the home truths on climate change, page number 7. So this is important article that there is a gap between what government says on the international stage and what it does at home. So there's an important data here. You can see US, Russia, and the UK, Japan, and Canada account for 10% of the world population, but 39% of cumulative emissions. And while China, India, and Brazil, these are account for the 42% of the population, but were just 23% of the cumulative emission. So when we are referring the emission, we can also refer the per capita emissions also, in which India and China and other developing countries are very below, and these developed countries are far away. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. So this article is important for the environment point of view, and this article is also referring about the COP25 in Paris and the United Nations Framework Convention for Climate Change. So complete article is important, and you can also write down in comment section that which organization releases the adaptation gap report. Write down in comment section. So coming on to the page number 8. Page number 8. Here we have Central Asian leaders invited for the Republic Day parade, chief guest. So what is important for this, their importance for India? What are the importance for the Central Asian nation for India? Why? Because the Central Asian nation has the reserve of uranium. So that's why it is important. And the erstwhile, like historical ties with USSR and the Central Asian power, you can also refer that, and connectivity through the Chabahar, how we can connect through Central Asia through Chabahar, and one of the important was the international north-south transit corridor. It is also for enhancing the connectivity with Central Asia, Asian power, and the European Union. And also you can refer Ashgabat Agreement, very important, Ashgabat Agreement. And you can also see that all of the five Central Asian nation are the landlocked countries, and one of the Central Asian nation is doubly landlocked. So you can write down in comment section two important nations which are doubly landlocked. You can also refer the map here. And one important point with respect to this is Ashgabat Agreement, Tapi gas pipeline. So you can refer also Tapi gas pipeline, and you can also write down like India's only foreign air base is located in which country. So another important article is about the India lays emphasis on UN clause, United Nations Convention on the Laws of Seas. So you can refer what is UN clause and what is Sagar initiative. Like here it is security and growth for all in the region, that was launched by India. You can also refer Sagar initiative. You can also refer International Seabed Authority that has allotted India around 75,000 square kilometer of area in the Indian Ocean for the India's deep ocean mission. You can also refer the exclusive economic zone. What is exclusive economic zone? So that's all from this page. Coming on page number 9. Yeah, here it is. Call from within judiciary to change the collegium system. So we have covered this entire thing in a separate City Talk episode. You can refer that video also. And coming on to page number 10. Page number 10 has one important article about the supersonic missile. Here it is. Supersonic missile assisted torpedo system tested DRDO. So you can refer what is torpedo, what is supersonic missile, like subsonic missile, supersonic missile, hypersonic missile. And you can also see the from where it is being tested, like torpedo launched from the Wheeler Island in Odisha. So not recently, but few years back, Wheeler Island was renamed by one of our renowned scientists. So you can write down in comment section from after whom name it has been renamed. Coming to the page number 11, this section for important for international relation point of view. So you can refer the at least headlines. EU slaps sanctions on Russian military firm. Britain rush to get booster shots for Omicron. India's Harnas Sandhu crowned Miss Universe 2021. South African president gets COVID-19. 2-dose vaccine less effective against. So you can see this all thing. Blinken begins Southeast Asia tour. Like, yeah, here it is important article. Hong Kong court sentences Jimmy Lai to 13 months in jail. So this is important. Why? Because this article is mentioning about the Tiananmen Square massacre. So you can refer what is Tiananmen Square massacre as well. So coming on to page number 12, one important article was there. Vegetable oil import rose 6% in November. So you can refer how much oil vegetable oil India produces, and what is the rank of India in the vegetable oil production, and how much India imports actually. So you can also refer the SEBI. Here it is SEBI, and how it is regulating the share market or stock market, or you can say secondary market as well. And what are the mutual fund? Here it is MF mutual funds, how it is different from the stock market. So you can refer these things as well. So that's all from today's newspaper. We'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you.